बाबा बाबा वो देख, दीपिका।
वही तो देख रहा हूँ कब से।
बाबा वाह, तू देख रहा है उसे, वो देख रही तुझे, पीछे बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक चालू हो जाता है। वाह,
ये हमारे साथ अक्सर होते रहते।
उस पे जोक नहीं मारेगा?
नहीं,
मेरे भी नहीं।
Performance! What a performance! OMFG! What a performance!
करण, OMG तो सुना था, ये FG में F क्या है?
Hey! Ah! ये था F. Fun.
And now for another eye for honor, we would like to call on stage Mr. Anil Kapoor. Hello, good evening. My sister-in-law was the biggest star this generation has ever seen. She was number one in Tamil film industry. She was number one in the Telugu film industry. She was number one in the Kannada film industry. And she was number one in the Malayalam film industry. And ultimately, she became the number one star in the Indian film industry. मैं जब भी श्री जी को मिलता था, मैं उनके पाँव पड़ता था। वो हंसती थी, अनिल जी क्या कर रहे हैं आप, मेरे पाँव क्यों पड़ते हैं? And I said कि when I used to go down, so I felt कि कहीं ना कहीं उनका टैलेंट थोड़ा सा मेरे में आ जाएगा. And I mean it from the bottom of my heart. The country misses you, the world misses you, and I really miss you as a family member. Today I would like to call on stage a husband and a man who truly, truly loved her, my brother, Boney Kapoor.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, Anil. Thank you, Arjun. Thank you, Amar Singh Ji, for being here with me. I have mixed emotions today. I measure every minute, every second of my life. I still feel she's around here, like she always was with me. I don't know what more to say. There's so many things I can talk about her. But I want you all to bless our daughter Janvi the same way you loved her mother. I want you to bless Janvi, sister of Arjun Kapoor. She needs your support like you supported her mother. Thank you. I would like my friend Amar Singh to speak a few lines.
श्री जी इतनी बड़ी कलाकार हैं, ये जानने में बहुत देर हुई वो कितनी असाधारण और कितनी बड़ी थी। लेकिन कभी कभी ज़िंदगी में ये जानना बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि जिससे आप मिल रहे हैं वो कलाकारी कर रहा है या वास्तव में आपसे उसे प्यार है, स्नेह है। श्री जी का ऐसा दोहरा व्यक्तित्व नहीं था। श्रीदेवी जी को यही असली श्रद्धांजलि और यही असली नमन होगा। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Ladies and gentlemen, I would request everyone to take a moment of silence before we begin the proceedings. Thank you for that, ladies and gentlemen. And as they say, the show must.
I'm a little nervous. I came for my first IFA back in 2006. I came with my father. That was in Dubai. And here I am now, 16 years later, winning my first IFA. So this one really means a lot. We couldn't have done it without the audience, my fans, if I may say so. Thank you to Sajid sir and Milan sir for believing in me and giving me this opportunity. My friends, my family, my girlfriend for supporting me throughout the whole process. And my parents and Papa, I hope I made you proud. And I hope to carry your legacy forward. Thank you.
What a proud moment this is. What a proud moment this is. Father giving son an award. Congratulations. आइए देखते हैं किस यंग एक्ट्रेस का पहला परफॉर्मेंस उन्हें ले आया है ऑडियंस के दिलों में.
So the next award is for debut female. And to present this award for debut female, may we please call upon Urvashi Rautela and the handsome hunk Fardeen Khan.
The next IFA award for the best debutante female goes to...
And the winner is Sharvari Wag for Bunty Aur Bubbly 2.
Thank you, IFA, for honoring me with this award tonight. Thank you, Abu Dhabi. We shot our film Bunty Aur Bubbly 2 here and almost feels like a full circle coming back here tonight and receiving an award for my first IFA. So thank you, Abu Dhabi, for giving me the fondest memories. Most important people in my life are here with me tonight. So thank you might be an understatement. So I'm going to say I love you to my Ai, Baba, Arnav, Kastu and my friends who believed in me every single day of my life. Thank you. Have a great evening.
Congratulations. And here's a bouquet for you by IFA's official gifting partner. Many, many congratulations.
Thank you, Abu Dhabi. Thank you, IFA. Thank you, Andre, Sabas, Viraf. And to receive this award from Mani Ratnam sir and A.R. Rahman sir, it's one of the greatest moments of my life because these are two people that I worked with and respect way beyond what they can ever understand. I joke with them, I talk with them, but I've learned so much filmmaking from both these legends. So thank you so much, both of you. And just want to tell you, it's good to be back. Also, I'm extremely grateful for this award. I love awards. I'm greedy about awards. But for so many years now that I've been working, I need to tell you the honest thing that best actor, best director, best stories, all these awards are a bit subjective. So I would like to congratulate all the people who have been nominated. Ranveer Singh, Ranbir Kapoor, Vikrant Massey, I think he was outstanding. My Vicky Kaushal, Sunny Paji, all of them deserve it in one way or the other. But I think I have a little happiness from the audience this year because I worked after a long time. So I take this award for all the 3 films that I happened to do this year, the wonderful Donkey, the magnificent Pathan, and absolutely mad Jawan. In order, I do need to thank the director of the film, Mr. Attlee, the cinematographer, Vishnu, Ruben, who edited the film, Anirudh, who did the music, and whole team that came down from Tamil Nadu to make this beautiful film. And Nayantara ji, Vijay Sethupathi ji, Deepika Padukone, the 6 lovely girls, Sunil Grover, everybody. If I'm missing out some names, I'm sorry. But I owe this film to all of them. And this film was... I don't like talking personal things, but this film was made under stress. So I want to thank, we're all professionals, we are supposed to do our job. But I want to thank the whole team behind me, Arun, Raj, Shalina, Anjali, Khushbu, Preeti who did the makeup, and of course Pooja. They all worked very, very hard for 2-3 years to make this film happen. So I thank you all from the bottom of my heart. And I've been reminded, somebody has to put the money in the film, so I want to thank Gauri, the producer. She must be the only wife who's spending more money on the husband than the husband does on the wife. So I'm thankful for her. But in all seriousness, for her patience, her goodwill, her kindness, we all were going through a little bit of a tough time making Jawan. But I feel back here in Haifa, in the city of Abu Dhabi, I'm genuinely back. And I'm really, really happy to end the year like this. So thank you, Haifa. Thank you all of you here. Thank you, Mani sir again. Thank you, Rahman sir. Thank you, sir. And thank you everybody who's present here, my colleagues, all the senior members who are there, and all the directors, all the producers. God bless you. Vinod to khush hai, tujhe best director mila hai. And writer bhi. But God bless you. Congratulations, Sandeep. Congratulations, Bhushan. Congratulations, Karan. To all the winners here, winning in no way vindicates the fact that we are good enough or not good enough. It just tells us we need to just keep working harder to be here and enjoy this evening. Thank you very much here, everyone in Abu Dhabi. God bless you, and I love you all. Thank you.
Shah Rukh Khan, ladies and gentlemen, the best performance of 2023, undoubtedly, the king reclaimed his throne.